see this, one layer of newspaper is ready and I have pasted it so well. And you can see हमने जो फेविकॉल लिया था, फेविकॉल नहीं गम था वो हैंडमेड, वो पूरा फिनिश हो गया है. So that's why I'm saying use handmade glue for this, because you know we need lots of फेविकॉल for it. You can see whole bowl has finished. So for the glue you can see the video on the channel. Okay, now next step is I'll dry it in sun, okay, for 15 to 20 minutes to hard it up. Then after that I will apply second layer of newspaper. This is how I will apply 4 layers of newspapers to make it harder, you know. Yes, okay, let's go. And I'll dry it under sun. See this, we'll tie one thread in the balloon and dry it up in the sun. I'll show you how. So you will think that why I'm dried up like this, or why? Because I want to dry it from all the sides, and this is the perfect way to dry it up. So we'll wait for 15 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, I'll put it second layer of newspaper on it. Okay? सी गाइस, अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पेंगुइन की बीक बनाएंगे. मेरे पास ये वेस्ट कार्डबोर्ड पड़ा था, मेरे बेबी का बर्थडे था तो उसके केक का कार्डबोर्ड है. सो आई एम यूजिंग इट, न्यू नहीं है कुछ भी, ठीक है. सो हम लोग इसको बीच में से क्रॉस करेंगे. स्क्वायर शीट ले लीजिए, स्क्वायर कार्डबोर्ड ले लीजिए, बीच में से क्रॉस करेंगे और फिर देखिए जहाँ से ओपन है वैसे नहीं, जहाँ से क्लोज है इस पार्ट से हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम ट्रायंगल बनाएंगे. ठीक है, रफली ट्रायंगल बना लीजिए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. पेंगुइन की जो बीक होती है वो ऐसे कुछ कैलकुलेटेड नहीं होती है, थोड़ा बहुत टेढ़ा हो सकता है. ओके, नाउ वी विल कट इट इन triangular shape. Okay, yes, so the beak is ready. Okay, and fold it from here. स्केल रखिए, स्केल रखने से क्या होता है, एंड फोल्ड कर दीजिए, इससे क्या होता है ना, बिल्कुल अच्छे से फोल्ड हो जाता है. ओके, सो हमारी पेंगुइन की बीक बन गई. ये ओके, गुड. अब नाउ वी हैव टू पेंट इट. सो आई एम टेकिंग दिस ऑरेंज शेड, ठीक है, फॉर द आउटसाइड, एंड फॉर अंदर के लिए ब्लैक शेड लेंगे. ओके, दिस इज फैब्रिक कलर. ओके, नो, वेयर इज माई ब्रश? here is my brush, see this. Okay, and okay, let me show you. Wait, I have taken orange, okay, color. Now we will paint it like this. You can see this now. Yes, and हो सकता है आपके थोड़ा सा हैंड गंदे हो जाए, बट ठीक है, we can wash it later. हम लोग का ठीक से काम हो जाना चाहिए ना. Yes, we'll take more. You can add some water to it. Actually I don't like to add water. And from this side some more. Okay, yes, very nice. You're doing good when I'm doing good as well, but I have to take more color. Yeah, yes, and be aware paint ना लगे, बट लग जाए तो ठीक है, it's okay. थोड़ा बहुत तो लग सकता है ना. Yes, very good, you all are doing so good. ओके, आपका जैसे ही पेंट हो जाता है तो आपको क्या करना है, इस ब्रश को वाटर के अंदर रख देना है, सो दैट ये मतलब ठीक है, थिक ना हो, टाइट ना हो जाए. अगर टाइट हो गया तो ब्रश आपका खराब हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो बी अवेयर. वेयर इज वाटर? यस, आई हैव वाटर हियर. ओके, सो अब क्या करना है, हम लोग को अंदर से इसको ब्लैक कलर करना है. ठीक है, सो आई एम ब्रिंगिंग आउट ब्लैक. ओके, वी कैन डू अ थिंग, लेट इट ड्राई फर्स्ट. ओके, वी विल पेंट इट्स फीट विद ऑरेंज शेड. अगेन वी वांट ऑरेंज, सो आई टुक इट फ्रॉम हियर एंड पेंट इट फास्ट. Okay, yes, very nice. Paint it like this, paint it like this, very nice. And we will paint it with black from the back side. Okay, second one. Actually, penguin's feet and beak is of orange, and its wing is of black shade. Some water. Like this, we are done. Okay, yes, very nice. You all are doing good. Well done, well done, well done, babies. So we are done with this. Now it's time to do black shade. Okay, so here is wings, 2 wings, and we will paint these with black. So wait, this is black fabric. Okay, acrylic fabric. Let's see. So wait. I have paint on this, so I'll take it from. Let's paint it. I've used fabric color because these are shiny and I love them. And watercolor is dilutable, easily dilute हो जाते हैं. Fabric ones are very adamant. Even water, आपके ऊपर इसके ऊपर water भी आ जाएगा ना, so they don't get dissolved once they dry. Yeah. Okay. And the second one, it's time to do second one. Yes. Okay. Actually, my friend bakes cake, and she was saying, "Oh my God, Goldie, you have used cardboard like this." Her name is Kittu. Say this, okay? And she bakes so well. And we are done. And now let me see. Yeah, it is dry. You can see dry. One of the best quality of fabric colors is they dry easily. And now we'll do it from back. Okay. Take care of. Oh no. Slow. Okay, do it slow. Otherwise, कहीं और भी जाकर ये ना लग सकता है. ठीक है. Okay, I'm done with this. Okay, see this. Orange from this side and black from the back. And now see this. इस पर black लग गया. अभी dry हो जाएगा उसके बाद इसके ऊपर orange कर दूँगी. ठीक है. No to worry about it. So. We are done with this also. Little bit to do. And let it dry for a few seconds. After that, I'll do balloon part, means its body part. Okay, and we are done. Yay! So beak is ready, feet are ready, and wings are ready. So okay. So guys, see this. ये 4th लेयर है जो मैंने वाइट पेपर यूज़ करके किया, ठीक है, और उसको सन के नीचे ड्राई कर दिया था. और इसके नीचे 3 लेयर्स ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर है. गॉट इट. अब हमको क्या करना है, अब हमको एक बार इसको वाइट कलर से पेंट करना है. ओके, वाइट फैब्रिक कलर आई हैव टेकन हियर. वी वांट लॉट्स ऑफ एक्चुअली, दैट्स व्हाई. सो लेट्स डू इट. टेक अ प्लेन एंड फ्रेश brush. You can take broad one. I don't have, so it will take time. Let's start it from here. We'll have to paint like this. Okay, it will take too much time, so I'm thinking I'll show you when it's complete and dry up. You have to paint whole, and you can see that I have used white paper which is not fresh and it is all used up. We will not have to use fresh paper. Okay, see this, you can see this is all used up, so you'll have to wait. I'll see you soon. So guys, now we will make eyes of penguin. So this part will be white. Okay, and okay, yes, and again white. Now okay. Now then the other one will be of black color. These big ones will be of black. It is done. Okay, and second one also will be also black. Okay, yes, so it is done. These eyes will be like this. मैं इसको अभी रख देती हूँ, ये स्टिक हो जाएगी पता, because नीचे. Oh no, it should not be done. I'll have to put white. फिंगर से रख देती हूँ. Okay, हो गया, done. Now I'll put it on this, and eyes are ready. You can see eyes are ready. Yes. See, I've painted it, and this is also ready. It is looking nice. Yes, very nice. This is looking nice. So white, right? A big penguin. I'm going to make it. It will look like this. Here is beaks. Okay, and we have mouth over here, and eyes will be here, and the wings will be like this. Yeah. Yes. Let's see. So it's time to draw the shape. Okay, I have marked some. Okay, you can see this, right? So we will start from in here, slow. Then मिकी माउस का होता है ना ईयर्स, उसी की तरह हमको जस्ट ये ड्रॉ करना है, ठीक है? लाइक दिस. Now it's tummy part like this. And same from this side. Right, and the shape is ready to paint. Okay, except this part, beach wala part, except this, we will paint whole balloon with black color. You got it? इस पार्ट को छोड़कर, ठीक है, हम पूरा बलून ब्लैक से पेंट करेंगे. सो आई स्टार्ट इट नाउ. ओके, वेट, आई शो यू. लेट मी डू फर्स्ट बिकॉज इट टेक टाइम ना. सी दिस, आई शो यू लिटिल बिट. विल पेंट इट लाइक दिस. ध्यान से करिएगा. थोड़ा सा एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा ये टेढ़ा मेढ़ा हो जाता है ना. आई एम डूइंग बाउंड्री फर्स्ट, दैट इज वाई टाइम लग रहा है. अदरवाइज good. So you will have to do this. Okay, let me do first. So guys, see, I have made a boundary with black. Now I'm free to paint anywhere and in any direction, left, right, up, down. Okay, so you will have to do it like this, and rest of the leftover I'll paint it with black. Okay, to start, see this, I have colored from the back and front is this, and eyes are these two eyes. Okay, so let's stick them all together and do it fast. I have taken double-sided tape to make it more attractive. 1, 2. So I am taking 4 wings and 2 for trees. Okay, and 1 for the beak, small. So here we have. Oh god. First I will, where are the eyes? This. Then okay, this second tape for the second eye from the back. Now I'll stick these eyes here and the second one here, and the same one for the here. Okay, for the beak will come here. Yay, press it, press these as well, and beak. Okay, done. And now it's time, see this, and now it's time. Here are the wings, and wings straight थे तो मैंने उसको थोड़ा सा कर्वी कर लिया नीचे से, ठीक है ना, लेफ्ट एंड राइट दोनों. So we will put them here. Very nice. Okay, you can paste it with tape also, but ठीक है, it is okay. And second one is here. Got it? See, now it's time to paste the feet. The feet down like this, and our penguin is ready.